Fish is a healthy high-protein food that has a rightful place in a well-balanced diet. Fish is especially important for its omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential good fats that humans don't produce on their own. Researchers has demonstrated that omega-3 fatty acids play an essential role in brain and heart health. Specifically, they have been shown to decrease inflammation, reduce the risk of heart disease, and benefit pre- and postnatal development. Healthy fish is a low-fat, high-quality protein. Fish is rich in calcium and phosphorus and a great source of minerals, such as iron, zinc, iodine, magnesium, and potassium. The American Heart Association recommends eating fish at least 2 times per week as part of a healthy diet. Omega-3 fatty acids help maintain a healthy heart by lowering blood pressure and reducing the risk of sudden death, heart attack, abnormal heart rhythms, and strokes. So here are some of the top healthy fish on the planet, and after we will also talk about some unhealthy types of fish which you need to avoid from eating too much that causes some chronic health conditions. So let's begin. Number 1. Salmon. Salmon is rich in high-quality protein. Protein plays a number of important roles in the body, including helping your body heal after injury, protecting bone health, and maintaining muscle mass during weight loss and the aging process. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna contain healthy fats that feed the brain. Eating salmon and tuna has been shown to stimulate brain cell growth. Salmon is quite high in potassium. A large analysis of 31 studies found that supplementing with potassium significantly reduced blood pressure. Especially eating salmon on a regular basis helps protect against heart disease. There's a debate about whether wild salmon or farmed salmon is a better option. Farmed salmon is significantly cheaper, but it contains less omega-3 fats, fewer vitamins and minerals, and more saturated fat and calories per serving. Wild salmon is caught in natural environments such as oceans, rivers, and lakes. Conversely, wild salmon is higher in minerals, including potassium, zinc, and iron. Additionally, the vitamin A, vitamin D, and selenium in salmon helps protect the nervous system from age-related damage and can even possibly act as an antidepressant. 2. Sardines. Sardines are an excellent source of EPA and DHA, which are 2 fatty acids that studies show the body uses to reduce inflammation. Inflammation is at the root of most diseases. Sardines are an excellent source of vitamin B12, vitamin D, calcium, and selenium. The vitamin B12 is especially important because studies show that about 40% of Americans are actually deficient in this important vitamin. Sardines contain a high content of omega-3 fatty acids. New findings indicate that there is a strong correlation between omega-3 fatty acids and a lack of depression. As a result, they can help prevent mood disorders such as anxiety and depression. Consuming sardines can help in building up the immune system. Research shows that sardine fish oil improve immune system by increasing the count of immune cells. The fats found in sardines play a big role in skin cells. It decreases skin inflammation and gives you a healthy glow. So let's talk about some fish which is not good for health. Bluefin tuna. The large bluefin tuna is strongly in the best to avoid category. The World Wildlife Fund put the bluefin tuna on its list of endangered species, and Seafood Watch warns their populations are depleted and overfished. Bluefin have high levels of mercury and can be high in PCBs, so it is recommended eating no more than 1 serving per month of this fish. Tilapia. It contains very low levels of beneficial omega-3 fatty acids and, perhaps worse, very high levels of omega-6 fatty acids. The low omega-3 and high omega-6 ratio is a potentially dangerous food for people living with heart disease, arthritis, asthma, and other allergic and autoimmune disease who are vulnerable to an exaggerated inflammatory response. This inflammation damages blood vessels, the heart, lung, and joint tissues, skin and the digestive tract. So do you know some more interesting facts? Definitely drop me a comment below and let me know.